An alternate use for the Move Selection to Pack feature is for creating material lists for a limited portion of a larger HDH floor or project. Let's say, for example, that this was a larger project that we had already completed. Everything was done, the material lists were created, things were in their appropriate places, and we've saved and closed our project. But now it comes time that we want to ship some of these materials. But we don't want to ship all of the upper floor at the same time due to space limitations that are on the job or availability of labor. And so what we're going to do is we open our project back up, and over here in the list we've created an alternate list called Ship Materials. And in this first pack is the first shipment that we want to make. Going back to the plan, let's say that we just want to ship the joists and the beams for this area of the project, this area of the duplex. We don't want to ship the beams and the joists for this area, just for this. So we'll come here and we'll turn off all the material and just turn on the floor joists and the beams, except not those beams because those are the stair beams that I've already shipped, and these beams here, and finally the rim will turn on. And now we're going to go and come to the page itself and we'll make a selection around this box of material. You'll notice as we do, those items get highlighted and selected on the page. One joist here got selected, so we'll hold down Control and unselect that one. And so we've got all of the rim and the beams and the joists that are in that particular area on the page. What we can do at this point now, to create a material list for just this portion of the project, is we can left click, holding down, or right click, holding down the Control key, come to the Move Selection to Pack, and this time, instead of putting in the duplex list, we'll put in the Shipped Materials list, the first shipment. And as we do that, you'll see over in the Takeoff Items list, again, additional lines were created. The items that were broken out separately are now in the first shipment pack. And if we were to come now to the list, Ship Materials, and look in the first shipment, you'll see that we have a collection of beams, floor joists, and rim, the ones that were specifically selected. And if we come to the reports, we can choose to view, for example, a condensed list. And there is a list of just the materials that were in that selection that we made. So we could choose at this point to save the project and keep a record of the items that have been shipped, or we could just close our project without saving, and we would again open our project later and find that all of the materials were once again just in their regular floor pack assignment of upper floor. So this is how you can use the Move Selection to Pack feature to create a material list for just a portion of a group of materials that was originally drawn as part of a larger floor or building.